So our last part of the activity is to add the roof, and that's going to be on the roof plan level or in the roof plan view. So here we go, roof plan. And I'm not seeing much. I might have to do something new again here. I'm going to look and see where it's looking. I'm going to go to something called view range. So if I click in my area and I look in my properties, it's looking at my plan view. I drop down. Sometimes I'm not looking at the right part. This is the top is roof above. The bottom is roof plan. The offset is 6 feet. And so I think I really want the bottom of this to be the level below. And this is okay. That and let me look all the way down. Well, let's just see what happens if I do that. Level below, roof level above. Oh, my view depth is off. There we go. There. And now I see everything. Let's see what I just did there. I looked at my view range and I said, what is the top? I'm not looking everywhere. I'm just looking at a kind of a slice. So I want to see the level above and I want to see the level below because that way I know where my roof goes, right? And I have to be able to view down to the level below. So that should be okay. If I want to, I can probably leave that alone. Let's see what that looks like there. But that's just some settings that you can do to play around to see if you can set it. Now, of course, we're going to put our roof on like we did before. We have a 2-foot overhang. I'm going to put on a wood rafter with asphalt shingles. And I'm going to pick some walls again. And I'm going to do something a little funky this time. I'm going to make the roof go over this area. And I do that with the make a corner command. So I want to make a corner or a fillet out of those two. And then I remember that that was a pretty steep roof. So I'm going to change it back to a 6-on-12. And see, now it says, do I want to attach the highlight walls? Yeah, I think I would like to attach the walls. It'll just make it look bigger, better. Now, see how funny that looks? I'm not looking high enough. So I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to go back to that view range, and I'm going to have to go unlimited above and see what happens. And my clipping now is wrong. So this needs to be like 10 feet high. Let's see what that does. There we go. Now I get the whole thing. So this cut plane is really for wall floor plans. So I want this to be plenty, plenty high. That's just some things that you have to do when you're in Revit. Now I see a few other things here. These are not really looking right, so I'm going to hide those in view. And then this really is a roof plan, but if you would like to, you can come back in here and put the topography in again, just as a little bit of practice. But it does show, it shows my topography is in. So I don't know why my topography isn't showing right now. Let's show all. So I'll go back and check out why my topography isn't showing up on my roof plan. Oh, because I'm not looking down far enough. That's why. I'm not looking all the way down to my topography. But that's okay. There's a classic roof plan for you, and you're all set.